This is Martyn. Martyn is a proper mountain biker with a proper factory mountain bike, and he has done over 1,000 laps. And I'm Steve. I build DIY electric bikes in my shed, and I have had 0 laps experience on a mountain bike park. Today, Martyn is going to be showing us around the track, showing me how to be an actual real mountain biker. And while I've got 0 experience as a mountain biker, I've got a lot of experience in building extremely nice DIY e-bikes. This is probably one of the best DIY electric builds I've done so far. It's a Scott Aspect 950 with a CYC X1 Pro mid-drive kit on it. For those that don't know, that's the most powerful off-the-shelf e-bike motor you can get in the world. Along with that, we've got a full custom wheel set, full Olin suspension. This thing is just maxed out for performance. And I'm giving this bike away, which cost almost £10,000 in parts, to one of you guys. All you need to do is check out the link in the video description to put your entries in, and one of you is going to win this insane e-bike. Skills, mate. Is the start line up?
That's here.
Oh, is the start line here? I never knew that.
You use this little start loop, and then the first lap you go up the steep bit.
Right.
But then second lap that's shut off, and then you do the zigzag.
Where that guy's gone to the left.
Yeah, and that's your first feature up there. So we'll head up there.
Oh, okay. Well, that don't look fun.
This is your A, B, C line.
What's
so that's your easiest one.
Right.
B's pretty tricky, and the A's the hardest one.
Righty, righty. Right, we are down the bottom now. Yeah, that's quite a height up, that. And mine's going straight in on C. Nice. Yeah, don't try that one, Lou. Nice. That's a proper drop off, isn't it? I don't think I've ever done a drop off, I'm not sure. What's the middle line like? I might give the middle line.
Not very friendly.
Oh, was it not?
No, it's actually harder than the A line.
Oh, really? Yes! That was harder than it looks.
Scary looking, that was.
I couldn't just not do it after all of that.
No, well done.
What do you reckon on that hill?
Never tried it.
I don't know. There's a thing like some people have tried to get up there.
I think you'll be alright.
I'm not in the right gear, I don't think. Let me get in it. Wasn't in the right gear.
No. I'm going to see if I can do it.
Give that one another go.
Yep.
Oh, you've done it. Right, can I get one clean one? I'll just go for it, won't I? I cheated. I had to go motocross mode. Yeah, that does get really steep from that bit.
Choke that. I don't know if you want to follow us or do you want to go up there. It's up to you.
Well, I could get up there. I don't know if that can struggle when he's up to it. Which, when we say folly, what, up the wiggly?
We're going to zigzag up, yeah.
Oh, unless, so
But
we're
if-
zigzagging up loop.
Yeah,
Go up there, or
if you wanted to go up there and
zigzag
chuck a
up?
left, your meter's up there, yeah?
Whoa. Are these cow pats part of the obstacle course?
Yep.
Yeah, I've never really gone down. Oh. I'm not sure which line he took in. Was you on the rock the whole time? I can't remember. What was the line you took in? Just straight across the rock? I need to see it in person because from up here the rock just ends. It doesn't even look like a slope. Just when he does it, it's just like, I'm looking at it like he looks dodgy, and he goes down it like it's a flipping flat pavement. Whoa! You make it look easy, I make it look sketchy. Bloody hell. Jeez. Impressive, mate. Very impressive. Lou's jaw's just dropped.
We got to just hang on to the handlebars and you'll be alright.
I'm not doing that.
No, I don't want to see you do it at speed.
Which way? Oh my god. I'm bloody in it now, aren't I?
That looks easy. Done it. Come on, legal bike.
It's actually quite fun going up on this one for a while. I know it's not mountain biking, but it's...
No, I've never tried cycling up that hill.
You've never tried cycling
No,
a bit?
so I thought I'd give that a go.
So we're both
Yeah.
showing each other our different worlds.
Yeah. I'm worn out, you're not.
Mine's just having a go of the X1. It's got to be hard with that power and the gravel over here as well. It's hard to ride it and not want to just ride it like an actual dirt bike, isn't it? Because it's
a beast.
Absolute mad machine.
Very good. Awesome bit of kit.
Here's a mad bit of kit. I think this has got rock hardens, which I can't actually do. aided on that because I don't know it. Have you ever tried to get up that hill?
No.
Guys, this is a hill that I have on camera where mountain bikers tell me I could get up that on my bike. From an actual mountain biker, how technical and hard is that?
Yeah, I can't see me doing it.
I've got up the right hand one
Yep.
probably 3 or 4 times at the most on different bikes.
You gonna try it now?
I prefer it when it's a bit muddy, to be honest, for traction. You can see how broken up that is on the left. On the right it's just pretty much zero traction. But I just attack it like, you know, like them motorbike hill challenges where they have the long swing arms?
Yes.
That's my preferred
Proper hill climb.
proper hill climb, and it's so not flat, it's unbelievable, isn't it?
Yeah,
Like,
why not?
I've done it like just zooming across there and just gunning it.
Yeah.
I have done it several times. I've also fallen off several times in snow, ice, every condition possible.
Yeah, I'll give you a couple of miss.
I can do it, but I'm not going to do it right now because I want to save some energy for keeping up with you. Kind of a it's kind of self-explanatory now. Look, throttle only. that is cheating, I will admit. Got no electronic assistance to going downhill though. Which way are you going, up here or is this?
Yeah,
That's a lap complete, isn't it?
that's a cool lap.
Awesome.
Yeah, go straight up. That's a steep, quite a steep hill. Go on then.
Full cheating mode activated.
Damn it. That showed the power, didn't it?
Yeah, that's obviously one fully pinned the whole way. I'm flipping it to catch up with you.
That's just another level of power.
It's ridiculous, it isn't. That's why I think this is great, but that's why I also think the Photon Pro, the new one,
Yeah.
is good. Because it's almost got this kind of power, but almost like, I don't know, it's a bit sort of in between.
Yeah.
It's a bit like an Airflow that's even a little bit.
That must be like 20 horsepower thing, mustn't it?
Yeah, I don't know, I think they're not always quite as much, it might be, but they're not always as much as you think, but sometimes it's like just instant
Yeah.
power. Electric stuff, isn't it? It's hard to compare to a petrol because the horsepower might be less, but you've got it almost instantaneously.
Instant power, yeah.
It's just too tempting
It
on this
don't
thing
get
to
bored,
ride,
does it?
to ride it like an idiot, but
Love it.
so as it turns out, 0 laps of experience is an ideal preparation for a mountain bike track and following an actual mountain biker who's got lots of experience. But I managed to get round in one piece, all to the thanks of this beast. This is an absolute weapon. Even Martyn had a quick go in the car park and he's ridden fast motorbikes. He finds this terrifying, the amount of power it's got. It's probably ludicrous and a bit too much, but it got me round keeping up with him. And it's just an absolute weapon. In the right hands, this thing, there's probably not much on the planet, mountain bike wise, that would touch it. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Sorry that I can't show you exactly the capabilities of this bike. I've got quite a lot of followers, and I posted to see if there's any pro riders out there willing to pilot this thing on a video, and I got absolutely zero response. So if there are any actual pro riders out there, I mean decent riders, I did get a couple of messages from people saying, I can ride it for you. I'm like, are you a pro rider? No, I just want to have a go of it. you need to be an actual pro rider to show people. You know, someone like Sam Pilgrim, who rides electric Surons and rides mountain biking, would be ideal. Someone that likes and has got experience in both. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget to enter the raffle. This could genuinely be, guys, the best spec'd XC mountain bike build on the planet in terms of all-round lightness, power, handling, all-round performance. There is not really anything else on the planet of this spec. I built this myself, but as you see out there, nothing coming from a factory is going to touch this, apart from the Bonnell, which has got the same motor as this, and it's just heavier and doesn't have the handling. I'll leave the link in the video description, guys. I hope you enjoyed this one, and I'll see you in the video soon. Take it easy.
Easier.